Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell on eBay, Poshmark, Kidizen, Mercari, and Tradesy. And today I'm gonna do a very short video. It's a what sold video. I'm gonna show you what sold from me yesterday, December 9th, and today, December 10th. I'm doing this quick video before I ship out my items, before the post office closes. I had the full day today. I went to my favorite thrift store. Today is their dollar day, so I bought a bunch of things. You're gonna see a haul soon. So I'm just gonna show you what I sold. I sold 3 items on eBay. I actually made 2 sales only, but one sale was for 2 items. So I sold these 2 items, and I'm gonna put a picture of them here so you can see. One is a windbreaker, Nautica windbreaker. I paid $1 at my favorite thrift store. And this is a fur hat that I got at the bins. It's very lightweight, and I sold both of them for $14. Buyer paid for shipping. Second item I sold on eBay was this all-neo pair of shorts. This is a retail arbitrage item. I paid $3 at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and I sold it for $19.99. And I have one more pair left. Now I'm going to show you my one Kidizen sale. I picked this up at my favorite thrift store. It was half off. It was $2.20. Those are brand new slippers, and I posted them, and somebody on Kidizen put them in their cart, and then I sent them an offer of $10 plus $5.75 for shipping. Very quick sale, and I love that. Now I'm going to show you my Mercari sales. I actually had 2 good sales on Mercari. I picked these slippers up at Savers. I think they charged only $2.99 for these slippers, but they are Merrell. So I listed them on Mercari, and somebody offered me $29 for them, and I accepted. I do not do free shipping on Mercari, so buyer is paying for shipping. Then I sold this beautiful Zara coat. I bought it for $5 at my favorite thrift store. That day the trip came down, I think, to $3 average cost of goods, so I'm counting $3 as my cost of goods. And somebody came and messaged me privately. I think I listed it at $75, and then it dropped the price a few times, and she asked me if I could do $50 for it. Yes, I will do $50 on that item that I paid $3 for, and she's paying for $9.99 for shipping. This is so beautiful, and she was very happy. Then I'm gonna show you my Poshmark sales. I sold these Jimbori socks. They were from my stepdaughters. They never wore them, so somebody purchased them. They didn't make me an offer. They just bought it at the price that I had listed for, which was $12. So my net earnings are $9.05. Then I purchased this very recently. If you see my Savers haul, Athleta Leggings. They have the skirt here. This is a popular style from Athleta. I always sell them between $20 and $25. So I had listed them for $35, and I sent an offer to likers of $25 plus discounted shipping, and the buyer purchased it. So my net earnings are $17.88, and I think that thrift store haul came down to $5 per item. And I saw these beautiful Cole Haan boots. They are sock boot. They are brand new. I bought them from Nordstrom Rack. I have to remove the lint here. It's from the sticker. And my average cost of goods from that trip was about $17. And I sold them for $90. So that's a great profit there. And I'm very happy to see them go. I love these so much. I wish they were my size. If they were my size, I would have kept them. So that's it, guys. I have to hurry up to ship everything and head out to the post office to drop my packages off so they can get to their buyers quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.